Yes, ladies and gentlemen, I'm back in my alma mater with them boys, Jiggy and Davidson, one and only, one and only, my niggas. But yeah, I'm back in alma mater right now, guys. It's going to be a crazy few days. We don't reach hotel, we don't come back. We talk to me, we just see the school side.
PTSD plenty.
PTSD, guys. Let me quickly gist you. So I just got from Lagos today. And lately I go into the into the school, guys. They told us that they told us, oh, they tell me say where is my ID card from nowhere, and they did not ask. They did not ask this guy. They did not ask this guy. So guys, I don't even understand. Guys, let me tell you a secret. It's during this time that all the securities, all the staffs that they will see you and they will be hailing you. Because obviously they want something on Saturday. Saturday is convocation. I'm telling you, this pants that I wore, guys, this is my fly pants that I wore. Security at the gate said that I should buy it for this other guy. Like, I will not say it's them laugh too. You understand? We're trying to get cab right now. The struggle as a boy student that has no car is the same. It's the same. Oh, students, undergraduates, I can't relate. Back then, guys, when I used to go to classes, 8 a.m. I'm in class before the lecturer. 8 a.m. All my classes I must go.
Yeah, I cannot relate.
I can't tell a bonfire venue. Oh yeah, now, Ocho. Guys, see, we're having bonfire today. So that's our venue, man. I'm wearing these new shades I got and I'm testing it out throughout today. So guys, let me know in the comments how it feels. Hey, the lights is no bread. Hey, my fucking marketer. Give me. Hey, J-Ski, what's good, my ski? What's good, man? Guy, updates on the day one back in Boeing vlog. I've collected some things from my little bro, the package, and David has gotten his package active. Now we're up to Sony build. I want to do my clearance and collect statement of results. Ryan he wants to be on some things, guy. Hey. When did you land in Nigeria, bro? How you doing? How you doing now? I'm good. On your side now. Now I thought say, when did you land in Nigeria, bro?
I've been here for 3 weeks, bro.
Serious? When are you going back?
I'm not going back now. Just wait for the summer.
Man, what have you been up to the past 4 months? What have you been up to? Lucky in the court. What are you saying? My boys. Say hi. Ooh. For where? We thank God. We are the third best in elect. Guys, we are the third best in elect. That is good enough. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm sorry I'm not vlogging this thing well. This is the one and I'm so disorganized. But right now, I just finished from Sony Building. I dropped my clearance. So I'm hoping to come tomorrow by between 8 and 12. Man said we should come between 8 and 12. So That's when I'll come and collect the results, statement of result or so, sha. So yeah, right now I want to do something before I head out of school. I don't know if I'll be able to collect my souvenir by, because guys, I don't even know if we'll be able to collect today. But yeah, I'm happy I'm done with that. I just hope they give me this statement of results tomorrow on time. Maybe I will come early. But we see you think.
Yeah?
Maybe I will come early tomorrow.
Like, no, what I want to do, maybe not trousers, I will wear fly.
Normally.
Like,
Hey, MC. That guy. Guys, we're on the other side right now. We got Polo in the fucking chat. We got Kingies in the fucking chat. We got Sajigi in the fucking.
I'm fresh, bro.
Guys, we're about to get out right now. We've not had anything to do. See my guys. Before they enter camp, say hi to the channel. Say hi to the.
What kind of life is this? What was
Bro, life of an undergraduate when you don't have a car. You can't say it's your mom's car, bro. Yeah.
What's one for Bonfire Night? Like.
Hey! Oh my God! Yes, sir, Ski! You get that thing!
Come on, boy!
You get that thing! Giovanni,
Who is that? Okay, you're a great
guy, they will. Because we have one here.
Where is this? Yeah, we should go.
Tali. You don't feel see them because I don't give them to them laundry guys. Me them wash them.
Yeah, wait.
Stop. You go. Wait. Okay, wait. Raffle draw day tomorrow. You feel win now.
I don't know. Which kind of raffle draw is
They come out like this now.
No.
And he said, OBJ. And he said, I just said, now hold up. Make una come late, sir.
No, we stop. We stop for somewhere.
And he said,
After that, we see us. We go ahead and tell you first. Come back here, please. Come go food go.
Which are themselves?
And the time we
hey, BDC Pioneers in the building. What you telling me tonight? Shake the body, yeah, shake your body. Move your body, yeah, shake your body. Move your body to the right and left. Move your body to the left and right. Say, yo, if you mean if you know the dance, if you know the move, if you know the dance, some more you don't fuck up. Hey! Yeah, bro. So guys, we're getting ready right now. I got my sheets on quickly to fit check the rosary, unreleased, Jesus protect me, and then my haters are sick of me, unreleased shit behind. Get that kind of thing.
What's up? Who's that?
So I got my shirt too. I got my shirt too, you feel me, and then the baggy fly pants. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we are live. We are back in Boeing like this, and we are going to the bonfire spot. Mr. Jiggy in the house. Always active. Hey, Polo in the house. Always active.
No jiggy, no party.
David is active. Flyways. What you telling me? Exactly. Exactly. Boom. Ladies and gentlemen, we're almost there right now. I'm with Mr. Jiggy. His brother and Paul have walked far away. But yeah, we're almost there right now. And to be honest, I just want to see the fire burn. What's the ruminate on my 5 years I've spent in this school, guys, because I don't try for this school. I don't try, like, to be spending an extra year, it will be crazy. So I really thank God that I'm only spending 5 and I'm going, man. To be honest, see, people already plenty here. In addition, I've texted my brother Kunto and my cameraman. They're on their way, so we're about to have some good fun. Say cheese dog. My ski, my fucking ski. What's good?
Rocky, let me tell them. Rocky source out brands today. Heaven on terror and fly.
That kind of thing. My guy. Order for you. Guys, say hi to Solomon, my cameraman for the night and for the next 3 days. Sick baby. Hey, how are you doing? Hi guys. You got the money? Guy, this guy. How you doing? This guy get the money. He get the money. Come fly. Guy, Ben get money. Guys, this guy has money, bro. Come fly. My bro, can you get school now? Oh yeah. My ski, yeah. My bro, I do right on your side. What's happening? Hey, boys in the building. Hey, Jig boys in the subscribe to the channel. So I think right now I need to get to the stage. Right now.
Possible, or let's end it here now.
I'll see you tomorrow. Come on, man. I beg, I need to go. Yeah, I don't want to do this school again. I beg, I need to come out. So I have to head to hotel so that at least I wonder when this shit will actually end, because I don't know what's happening right now. This is 9:20. The shit about bonfires are they always do beyond themselves. Probably this shit will end like 9:30 or maybe 10. But let's wait and see. But me and the command, we have to head to the hotel so we can have our own fun, get that kind of thing. So shout out to Solomon for pulling up for me. We see tomorrow again. We see tomorrow. Let me show you. Let me take it. Okay. We see tomorrow again, and I'll update you on when exactly. Let's reach the road first. Solomon, are you going back to? Yeah.
Trappy.
Are you still recording?
Yeah.
Still recording. Oh, what's up?
Big gang money, big gang shit. We
Go again tomorrow. On Saturday. How far?
Right here.
Oh yeah, now. I think say when I thought so, we don't dey comot. Now it's Saka here now. Titus. Hey, yo, Wagwan, brethren. Yeah, where they go now? Where they run the party for here? Where they run the party for here now?
Guys, today Trappy just, I don't know, Trappy. Guy, this guy. You know the party out for your school. Party out outside. This one will be outside, this one are indoor. Tell him for your vlog. Wait, this one are inside. Lucas exclusive. Exclusive party.
Exclusive time.
Organic
You
party.
get that kind of thing.
Organic
They didn't even want to give me mic here. I don't know what they were feeling like. This is me Komoto. Hey, how you doing? How your side now? Oh my god.
Have you been dancing?
I didn't dance.
Why? You didn't even...
No, I'm a graduate.
Not for the school, I mean for yourself. Yeah,
Myself?
heard about your brand.
Oh, thank
Soft
you.
as fuck.
Thank you.
Soft as shit.
Thank you so much. Please come fly. Tell your friends. Tell everyone.
I also make very video, so like, would this suit me?
Yeah, no problem.
I'll show it to you. I don't want it to suit me, so I'll be like, Rocky Trappy.
Hey, oh yeah, no problem. I'm so happy I saw you too. I'm about to leave school soon.
You're about to leave?
Yeah.
The party's not over now, it's for you.
We get our own.
Time shit.
You get that kind of thing. So like, I don't want any. My guys are already with me, so I'll be here tomorrow. So if you see tomorrow, if you see Saturday too. Anyhow, guy, you shared it. You heard it from my mouth to fly as shit, guy. Was that a word? She said something doper than that actually. I think she said sick as fuck or something. Oh yeah, no.
It's fly as fuck.
Oh yeah, no. Thank you so much. Fly as fuck. That should be a statement. I can't lie. I have to release Solomon right now. My bro, I appreciate you.
Yeah, sure.
See you tomorrow.
Yeah.
Guys, part 2 after party now.
Hey!